Xiaomi.
Hello Mi fans, for today's Terrific Tech Tuesday, we have a challenge for two of our teammates. On the left, we have Aditya from the marketing team, and on the right, we have Sudeep Sahu, product manager Xiaomi India. And the challenge of the day is that both of them have to convert a CRT TV into a smart TV. So, are you guys ready?
How did you do that?
Why don't you come over? I'll show exactly how to convert this TV to a smart TV.
Wow, quite impressive, man. There you go, me fans. You all just saw how Sudeep converted this CRT TV into a smart TV within seconds in this challenge. Sudeep, do you want to reveal how did you actually do that?
Well, Aditya, as you know, with the Mi Box 4K, you can convert any TV to a smart TV. But with just a simple HDMI to a AV converter, you can convert CRT TVs like this one to a smart TV.
And does the converter come in the box as well?
Well, you have to buy that additionally, but with just a simple converter, you can convert your age-old CRT TVs and experience smart apps like Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube on this TV.
That is amazing, me fans. You see, when we say makes any TV into a smart TV, we mean it. So Sudeep, can I just open Netflix and start binging on the show that I've been binging on?
Of course you can. Not just Netflix, you can watch content from all your favorite apps like Disney Plus Hotstar, Prime Video, YouTube and many more.
Wow, that's amazing. And what are these extra apps for and the Google Play Store app which I can see here?
Well, the Mi Box 4K runs on the latest Android TV 9.0 and it comes with more than 5,000 apps. Not just that, it also comes with Chromecast Ultra built-in.
What? Chromecast on a CRT TV? That's impressive.
Well, you can cast anything that you're watching on your phone directly on this TV using the Chromecast built-in. And not just that, the best part about this is that you will not get interruption from phone notifications while you're watching all your content on this TV.
Nice. Sudeep, I can also see a Google Assistant button over there which comes with the Mi Box. What does that do?
Well, you're right. With just a press of a button, you can search anything that you want using Google Assistant.
So my current non-smart TV, which doesn't have a voice search feature, will have a voice search feature with the Mi Box.
Yep, it comes built in with the Mi Box.
Alright, I can also see the data saver on feature over here, which I think was introduced back in September last year. It's coming on Mi Box too?
That's right. With the Mi Box 4K, you also get the data saver feature, which lets you watch up to 3 times more with mobile hotspot.
Okay, but I have a 4K TV back at my home, and when I'm watching something on the TV, I want to enjoy it in perfect picture and sound quality. How does the Mi Box help?
Well, I'm glad that you brought this up. The Mi Box 4K comes with 4K HDR technology and Dolby Audio with DTS surround sound technology. So you can enjoy perfect picture quality with HDR10 and great audio experience with Dolby and DTS.
This is unbelievable. So many smart features on this old CRT TV. Man, this reminds me of the good old days. I watched so many cricket matches on TVs like these. And you have explained the entire product to me inside out. Thank you so much, Sudeep, for doing that. And I'm pretty sure that if Mi Box can convert a CRT TV into a smart TV, it can convert any TV into a smart TV.
That's right.
So, Sudeep, where can I get this from?
Well, you can buy the Mi Box at mi.com, Flipkart, Mi Homes and local.mi.com at just Rs 3499.
So there you go, Mi fans. I hope you enjoyed today's episode of Terrific Tech Tuesdays. Get to Mi Box 4K today and convert any non-smart TV into a smart TV. Do subscribe to our channel, stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next one.